Abelias are beautiful, low maintenance workhorse of a shrub for the landscape that are completely underutilized. These beautiful shrubs are in their prime right now in the summertime, and you can probably see some of the pollinators just flying around. They love these tubular shaped flowers, these light pinks. This is called Canyon Creek. Some other great performers are Kaleidoscope, and Peach Perfection is a wonderful one. Now, Abelia gets to be about 3 to 6 feet in height. It's got that open, airy structure, as you can see here, and it grows to about 3 to 6 feet in width as well. Now, in cooler climates, the reason why we call it semi-evergreen is because if the temperatures do drop, they can drop their leaves. Although these are hardy down to zone 6 and to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So they're going to be around for a while. Now again, these are very low maintenance, don't require a lot of pruning. You can trim them back. Abelias can be trimmed in the springtime, fertilized in the springtime to encourage those blooms that begin in the early summer and continue on into the fall, just making it just a profuse bloomer that the pollinators love. These want to be planted in full to partial sun. They want a well-drained soil. In fact, once these are established, they're very drought tolerant and very heat tolerant. So just one of those set it and forget it bushes that you can include into your landscapes that have that beautiful flower and interest for the pollinators. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.